Hello and welcome to Wealth HQ. Here you will learn everything you need to know about earning money online and how to grow your wealth as quickly as possible. In this video I'm going to tell you my top 5 secrets for making money as a teenager. Make sure to watch till the end, because number 5 is most definitely the easiest way to make money fast. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to learn more about making money online and growing your wealth today. The first method we have on our list is creating a Fiverr account. Fiverr is an online marketplace where you can offer services to others. Maybe you're really good at helping people, or you could offer to help others with schoolwork. Or maybe you already know how to make a website or use Photoshop, or know how to play a music instrument that you can teach others. These are just a few examples of skills that you could offer in exchange for money. Fiverr is the perfect platform to start because it's completely free to open an account. All you need to do is create your gig on Fiverr.com, show some examples of your work and your skills in action, and done. Now with a little bit of promotion to find your clients, you can make easy money. Number 2 on our list is making yourself a Depop shop. Now in this shop you may think, what am I going to sell? Well, as a teenager you get to the point where you grow out of your old clothes, and this is a great place to start on Depop Shop, selling your unwanted clothes. This can earn you easy money on the side and also help you clear out at the same time. All you need to do is make yourself a shop, list your items with some good pictures and clothes, and done. And then again, do a little bit of promotion to friends and family, and there's more easy money. All you have to do is go to Depop.com and create a free account. And here we are onto method 3, which is simple once again. Start yourself a YouTube channel, but it's not just any YouTube channel, a cash cow channel. You may be wondering, what on earth am I talking about? But a clue is in the name. A cash cow YouTube channel is one where you make simple, easy videos where you don't have to show your face at all, and you make educational or interesting videos that people are going to want to watch out of curiosity. Such as 10 insane things people bought with their millions, and you'll be surprised by the traction videos such as this receive. Once you receive 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, YouTube will actually pay for your work. Now this is definitely one of the easiest ways to make money. So what are index funds? An index fund is a fund whose portfolio is built to match the constituents of its stock market index. Now what does that even mean, you may be asking? Each index fund is based on a particular stock market index, like the S&P 500. It buys all the stocks that make up the index and in the same proportion. So basically, instead of investing in one risky stock from one company, you can invest your money in a large group of companies and at the same time. When one stock goes down, the other might go up, so it balances your risk. Index funds are a proven way to make 5 to 10% return on your money per year. The downside? You need a little bit of money to start with, and you need some help from your parents to open an account. But once you start investing, all you have to do is sit back and watch your money grow. The best and easiest way to get rich quickly as a teenager is to start an online dropshipping store. What is dropshipping? Simply put, you are basically selling products from somebody else's warehouse without having to buy the product up front and without having to keep it as stock. All you need to do is find a product on a website such as AliExpress.com. You create a simple website with Shopify.com and you start promoting your site on a social media. When somebody buys something from your website, you get the money, buy the product from the supplier, and the supplier sends it to the customer. And the best part about this is that you can find an unlimited number of customers online if you teach yourself how to promote your store. The sky's the limit. And this was it. The 5 best ways of making money for teenagers. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to leave a comment, like, and subscribe.